All right, everyone, take your plastic bag, open it up gently. You're going to take the white powder and you're going to scoop in about probably 5 that. I want you to place, just put your bag down gently, make sure the powder's not going to spill out. Now you're going to take your film canister and you're going to take the liquid that is in the beaker, not the flask, but the beaker, okay, the one that smells. And you're going to fill up your film canister about 3/4 of the way, being I didn't say go yet, this is one of those ones where you really need to listen. Be extremely careful not to spill any on the outside of the container, all right? So what you're going to do is the volume of powder that you have there, you want about the same amount from the flask. Now you've just mixed 2 substances together, so I'd like you to pay very close attention to what, if any, reactions there are, and write that down. Try and get all of the materials to one corner. Now you're going to take your film canister that is nice and dry and doesn't have any of that fluid on the outside, and you're going to very carefully place it in the bag
with the cap on.
With the cap on securely. So now it's sitting in the corner. Try and keep it upright for now. And then you're going to close it. I find if you close it about 3/4 of the way, and then try and get as much of the air out as possible. You're going to very carefully, through the bag, take the lid off the film canister, and then mix up everything together. So make sure you don't rip the bag when you do this. And do it over your desk. Go. Don't do yours. Don't hurt the one who ripped it.
It's exploding. Yeah, my fruit too. Do you tip over the canister?
Yep. Tip it over, mix it all up, move it back and forth.
But it's not red.
And now write down any observations you've made. Wow, you really ripped it. All right. So what happened here?
There was a
chemical
reaction. How do you know that, Antara?
I know.
What indicator did you see?
It fizzed up when we dumped the vinegar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So gas bubbles formed.
Yeah.
We had almost no air in there before, and now when you look at it, it's like a nice little soft pillow. All right. If you feel the bag, feel the fluid, might have passed for most of you. How does it feel?
Cold.
It feels cold. So there was a temperature change. Did we put this in the fridge?
No.
Everything was at room temperature. The water was at room temperature. It's been sitting on my counter for 4 hours. The vinegar was at room temperature. So everything was at room temperature, but now they feel cold. So you had a temperature change without a heat source. You had gas bubbles forming. So those are 2 really good indicators of a chemical change. Now,